Hello, welcome back to Sundays with Selma. Today, I'm going to prepare cashew baked chicken. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Boneless, skinless chicken breast, 4 pieces. Apricot preserves, 12 ounces. Curry powder, 1.5 teaspoons. Finely chopped, lightly salted cashews, 1 cup. Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I am going to grease the baking pan. In a small pan, combine apricot preserves, mustard, and curry powder. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly until preserves are melted. Dip chicken in apricot mixture. Then roll in cashews. Place the chicken in greased pan. Bake 30 to 40 minutes or until chicken is completely cooked. Bring remaining sauce to a boil. Serve this sauce with cashew baked chicken. Our simple and delicious cashew baked chicken is ready now. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.